My video will help you to remove the malicious pop-ups that come from the site Xcfss2.xyz. Xcfss2.xyz is a new deceptive website that keeps attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. The website claims to promote some background changer extension for the Google Chrome browser. Maybe this feature is helpful or useful for some people, but the point is that this particular extension also operates as a browser hijacker. It may change a lot of crucial browser settings without your permission, so you shouldn't interact with these deceptive pop-ups by Xcfss2.xyz. If any third-party extensions were mistakenly added to the Google Chrome, access the menu, go to More Tools, Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. Finally, I recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com, so use this green download button, install the program, and begin thoroughly researching and investigating your system in order to identify and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.